This is ANN News Brief.
Senegal's health ministry has confirmed a second person, an 80-year-old French national who arrived in the country on Saturday, has tested positive for coronavirus. He's been treated at the Hospital for Infectious Diseases in the capital city, Dakar, where another Frenchman was hospitalized for Covid-19 last week. News of this second patient brings to 12 the total number of confirmed coronavirus cases on the African continent. Algeria, Egypt, Tunisia, Nigeria and Morocco have also confirmed coronavirus cases. African Airlines are reported to have lost $400 million as a result of COVID-19 outbreak. The coronavirus was detected in China in February. So far, more than 50 countries have been affected. The epidemic is not as widespread in Africa as on other continents. The global airline industry body, International Air Transport Association, IATA, says this had led airlines like South African Airways, Royal Air Maroc, Air Tanzania, Air Mauritius, Egypt Air, Rwanda Air and Kenyan Airways to suspend flights to and from China. The continent's largest airline, Ethiopian, is still operating flights to and from 5 cities in China. IATA Vice President Raphael Kuchi says the impact of the virus is bound to get worse for African airlines as the losses in the continent's aviation industry have so far come from suspended and cancelled flights en route to China. We'll be right back.
We are on the road every day, canvassing throughout Africa for news you really need. We follow this story everywhere, from every corner of Nigeria to the wide African expanse. We bring you what's making headlines. We connect you with news you can use. ANN, African News Network, in a truly African spirit.
The medical charity Doctors Without Borders, MSF, says violence in South Sudan has forced thousands of people to flee their homes in Jonglei State, an area that has suffered repeated communal clashes. MSF says it is treating victims of gunshot wounds who have walked through the night to reach Pibo town, where 5,000 persons are seeking shelter. It says thousands more who fled into the bush are unable to get medical help. South Sudan's political rivals signed a power-sharing deal last month in the hope of providing a lasting solution to 5 years of civil war. Reports say little is being done to address the violence as politicians continue to negotiate over government positions. That is ANN News Brief at 11. For details on these and other breaking stories, visit our website, annafrica.news. Conversation continues on our social media platforms, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook as ANN Africa TV. I'm Lucy Adeyemi.